Beer can. What's good, y'all? Welcome back to our channel. Make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you click that subscribe button. And turn on your post notifications to stay in tune whenever we drop these bangers. Sure. What we doing today, eh?
Okay, guys. So today we are going to the beach.
We
are going to the beach. It's kind of nice out, I feel. It's not gonna be too hot at the beach today, but low-key I kind of like that because it's been really hot in Jersey lately. So we're just on our way to the beach. We stopped and got some McDonald's for breakfast because it was on the way and we were hungry. So we got some McDonald's breakfast and we're about to head to the beach right now.
Yeah, we told y'all last night we was gonna bring y'all along to the beach with us. Make sure you watch all our videos up, our vlogs up. Comment down below, let us know what y'all like. But we told y'all we was gonna go to the beach, so we just, you know, gonna vibe out for the day. I'm off this week for the B-Day week, and we just getting some McDonald's breakfast, some coffee, and we right back on road to the beach. Have a good time. I plan on shutting it down with this B-Day gift Ariana got me. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know if she.
We did bring that with us.
I don't know if she knows how crazy it's about to get, or like that I'm about to try and make this shit lit, y'all. You know what I mean? But yeah, we'll tap back into y'all once we pull up.
Okay guys, so we finally got to the beach and it's so nice out. It's literally not too hot and not too cold. Darius is actually in the background right now trying to set up his U-ball hoop. I'm gonna show you guys what he's doing. But it is so nice at the beach right now. I'm gonna show you. He's putting that work. Look at that thing. He has to literally assemble all this. Look. It's meant for the beach.
Somebody trying to do it.
But it's meant for the beach, like it's the actual thing for the beach.
Yeah, I know, I never saw anybody do that. So how many people are gonna play?
Whoever wants to.
It's not like I don't know anyone here. It's like same thing as throwing the football.
You stand up maybe someplace not close to people.
We're close to people?
Come up this way, maybe just like 20 people.
Yeah, that's fine. I just didn't want to, like, you don't mind? Because if people walk on, I don't want to.
Like right here.
Okay, fine.
All right?
That's fine.
I mean, if the owner comes out and tells you he's gotta go, he's gotta go.
Alright.
All right? I know you behave.
Nah, of
I
course.
never saw anybody do it.
Of course. Yeah, I know.
Okay. Stay away from the ramp. Come over here.
Okay, what's your name?
Mike.
Darius.
Darius? Nobody really sees you. Okay. All right? Make sure we don't lose the ball and go around the ball.
Oh, no. Well, I got you. I'll be.
Wow.
It's all good. At least this is hooked up and then I got it.
First of all, he came out like a real dick. Like at first, right?
See how I finessed it though, right?
At first, I don't know if you guys heard him, but he came out like, nope, you can't do that. Nope, you're not sending. I was
He thought I was a Weenie Hut Jr. and that's not what was about to happen. So you know me, I'm a Christian. Why? Is it a fire hazard? What are we doing against the wrong? He just, you know, black man, I said so you can't, whatever.
he looked like a real asshole at first.
Cool.
And then I didn't like that he said, you can't do it because I've never seen it before. So you never seen it, so you're not gonna let someone do it because you've never seen it? Like, what the fuck?
I'm about to come up. We're gonna come up 30 subs. We're gonna count how many subs we come up off of this.
People are really crazy.
Just know I'm a marketing genius, you're.
Anyway, but he's letting us set it up
Yeah,
just a little bit more down.
And the charisma, you know, we finessed. You're.
Alright guys, we finally got it up. This looks so cool. Wow. Hooping at the beach.
Hooping at the beach.
Not even at the beach, on the beach.
Hooping on the beach.
Okay guys, so these guys just Well, I actually asked them if they wanted to play because they were over there and they were like looking at the hoops. So I was like, you guys want to play? But anyway, so they're about to play a game, I guess, of Knockout. Don't ask me what it is because I truly don't know. But they're about to play that with Darius. So you guys are just gonna see a few clips of them playing Knockout. So.
Yeah. Stop playing with the boy, man. Stop playing with the kid. Yeah. She asking so much questions. She asking so much questions. She asking so much questions. She asking so much questions, got me thinking she the paparazzi, ayy. Got me thinking she the paparazzi, ayy. Got me thinking she the paparazzi, ayy. Yeah. She asking so much questions, got me thinking she the paparazzi, ayy. Got me thinking she the paparazzi, ayy. Got me thinking she the paparazzi, ayy. Yeah. Shorty on my body, cause she think I pulled up in the Mazda, ayy. And I know my cousin keep a shoddy, ayy. Making art is a hobby, ayy. Do the money sign like I'm Johnny, ayy. Shake and bake like Ricky Bobby, ayy. She the bomb, Kawasaki, ayy. Ice all around like it's hockey, ayy. Used to pull up to the parties, light liquor, lit off the Bacardi. If I hurt you, then I'm sorry.
Out here, gang.
Threw some dollars, cause she deserve it, ayy. Yeah, cause she deserve it. She asking so much questions, got me thinking she the paparazzi, ayy.
I can't even get my arm above the rim.
Got me thinking she the paparazzi, ayy. She asking so much questions, got me thinking she the paparazzi, ayy.
Oh, I could've.
Look at this dude.
With the right, switch to the left.
Your girl make my bed, treat her like a servant. Can't rock with no pigs. I am not Kermit. Never leave the crib. You a little hermit. I be in the trap. Know some niggas serving. If she got no ass, let a nigga.
Beach day. We out here, y'all. See the U-Boat hoop in the back. We got crazy. You think they're trying to shut us down?
Why? Oh shit. The cops are here, guys.
Cops are here, y'all. See him in the back?
What is
Cops
the
is
big
here.
deal?
I don't know. We took a water break. Took a water break in time. They're probably gonna tell me to take it off.
Oh, the canopy, I think.
What canopy?
Same guy has, it's all one group, that's not
I guess it's not for us. Guys, it's hot as shit out here, that's all I know.
It's hot as shit out here. We cooling. Bit cooler. Getting the content for y'all. Just typical beach day. A couple friends might meet us. Christian said he might meet us after work. I don't know. But it's lit. This is why we need y'all to smash that like button and click that subscribe button and watch our videos so we could do this and get this content for y'all all the time, because it feels great to be off work. Yeah, I'm not even gonna lie. It feels great to have me off work. Living life, y'all. But yeah, we're gonna tune back in as the day goes on. Hang out here. What time is it? It's only 12. And then, you know, probably get food, maybe hit a bar, tiki, and then just keep being activo.
It's there. It's not going in.
Ooh, that was on target.
How many was it? trouble. Trouble.
You got me going crazy. Oh! Stop playing with me. I won round one. She's 1 for 1. I'm not gonna lie, she's going crazy though. She went 2 for 5. She went 2 for 5.
Same thing.
She went 2 for 5 2 rounds in a row. That's tough.
So annoyed.
It's definitely tougher out here on the beach. But yeah, she's going crazy. I'm just going crazy. Yeah? It might be in Steph Curry jersey.
Shut up. In the second time, 3 for 5. I can't take it easy on her. I gave her false hope the first game. So now she can't win one. I ain't letting her win one. What?
I ain't letting you win one.
What the fuck? It's like not going in. Oh, that was trash. Go ahead.
Oh my gosh, I'm walling. I'm walling right now. I'm walling right now. I'm walling. I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. Step back.
Okay guys, he won this game. He won both games, so I gotta buy him shots. Great.
Stop playing with me. I just won 3-0 again. I went crazy. I almost made every shot in the last round. I went crazy. I may not lose out here. So if y'all want to play me 5 cash, 10 cash, 20 cash, I'm not going to lose here. I'm going to go crazy. Come on. Go alley to me. Throw it up right side of the
I don't know.
right in front of the rim.
Wait. Oh, like right here, not to you?
Yeah, in front of the rim.
Okay.
Oh!
That was bad.
That was my mistake.
Hi, y'all. We had a lobster. What is
I
it?
think it's called Lobster House.
We had Lobster House. We down in Shore, Jersey. We're from North Jersey. Those who watching, those who know.
sure you guys can hear all the loud music in the back.
Look up Tiki in Jersey and you'll see like the big, you know, it's a big turn up spot, especially on Mondays. But we're just here trying to get some food, and then we may go in there after. Y'all seen we was on the beach, you know, shooting hoops, relaxing, calm vibes. Now we about to eat some food, get a couple drinks, get shit going. What a vibe, we outside today. We outside today. Slitty.
So we're pretty much just gonna show you guys what we get to eat. We might have to montage a lot of things because copyright reasons.
Coors is the place. Coors.
I also have on a cone the chocolate and peanut butter twist for rainbow sprinkles. It's $11.75. Here you go.
Oh yeah. Slitty.
Okay guys, so we just finished walking the boardwalk and getting food and ice cream and stuff, so we're about to head out, so we're gonna close this vlog right here. We wound up not going to Tiki just because it was like super crowded and the line was really long to get in, and yeah, I'm not big on waiting on lines like that.
Yeah, me neither. Plus we heard it wasn't like that, it's like most lit at this time. And probably we're a little bit tired, been out in the sun, you know, having fun, vlogging for you guys. Ariana still owes me a shot from losing.
On Thursday for your birthday. I'll buy you a shot.
But yeah, we was gonna do, but after talking to some friends, we end up linking with them. So yeah, I don't know. We might just go back home. We may come back. We may do another beach day this week while I'm off. We both like the beach and we rarely get to go because I'm always working. So we definitely may try and come back this week. I feel like Friday. Maybe Wednesday, but it's supposed to be nasty weather all week, so
yeah,
that might just cancel it too, but we have hopes for it. If not, you know, we'll be home editing for y'all, shooting content for y'all either way, you dig.
So if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what other videos you guys would like to see from us. And if you're new to your channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button.
Click that subscribe button. If you're watching any of our vids, don't be petty, yo. Click that subscribe button, you heard?
And that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys.
All this love waiting just for you. You know that I adore you. If we pour up, pour two. All this